the 20th of December. Look who has arrived. Theo, go say hi.
Hi.
Come over here. Look who has arrived. My big grandson.
Hello.
And tell everybody how happy you are to be in Scotland.
Happy.
Here's son number one, daughter-in-law, and my baby girl. Look at my baby girl. Yes, she is. She's not feeling very well. And we have Millie. You got friend now to play with, Lily? Yes, I see you, Millie. Rico's cooking. I'm just about to set the dining table. There's Ammo. Look at his Ammo. So we have some chips. We have some prawn saganagi. We have some crayfish.
And salad.
And salad. Homemade bread. There we go. I also made Theo some homemade cookies. Are you sitting in your yash chair? Yes. Is it you? Did you get your jammies on?
Careful.
Have you got your jammies on? Yeah? Anna, did he go so? It's you. Wow. Shall we find one for you? Right, we'll just find number one because, yeah. Leila, Ammo? Ammo? Well, you can open 16 because 16's gone. You need to open from 1 to 20. And tomorrow we open 21. Right, so you need to open them in order. Right? And then from tomorrow onwards we open the right doors. Okay? Because you're a bit of a perfectionist, Theo. What? Kelly, what are you doing? That's Costa's advent card. Did you take one out? Yeah. When I told you to share that with him, you said no, you wanted your own.
I wouldn't have a chance. You can have that one. I like Chrissy's. Sharing's caring. I may have both.
You've got a wedding to go to tomorrow.
What are you trying to say, Henry?
I'm not saying anything.
Try to say that.
See, mother-in-laws can never win. Whatever they say, it's wrong. Okay, so here we have another package. This is the promised Michael Kors package. Ooh.
It's so neat.
Hmm?
I just ripped them open. So neat. Oh, what'd you get? Oh, Andrew.
Now carry on. Open it. There we go.
What is it?
This is Michael Kors packaging.
What's that?
A dress.
Oh.
And a jumper dress. They don't look very.
Jumper dress?
Yeah, they don't look much in the box, do they?
Go try them on. There they are. Oh, these are very in. Just now they pinched in waist dresses, aren't they?
I don't think. Right.
But maybe nice on.
This is what I am wearing before I try on the other dresses. So just, I think there's an X jumper and my Topshop trousers, Jamie jeans in black. That's all I have on. Okay, this is dress number one, which we'll be going back. It's actually big and really, really thick and definitely going back.
A box. Oh yeah, I like
Definitely. Okay, this is the other dress, which is your typical Michael Kors dress. This is very similar to the style of the silver one. Hi Theo! That I had tried on in my other vlog, and one, I think it was last year I ordered one, so I'm obviously attracted to this style. This was reduced when I bought it, and it has been reduced again. If I remember correctly, it's reduced now to like £57, something like that. Yeah, and this is the choice. Hi Theo, you're hiding behind me. I'm going to put a pair of shoes on with it and see what it looks like. So that's it with a pair of Christian Louboutins on. And that's somebody at my door. Right, shoes off, let's go and see.
That's a good thing.
Hi Thomas, how are you?
I'm fine.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thomas has just had, well, Thomas's partner's just had another baby, haven't you?
Yes.
Had a baby boy. It was a bit of an emergency cesarean, wasn't it, last night? But thankfully, baby and mummy are doing well, and Thomas is standing there yawning. If you haven't watched any previous vlogs, Thomas is Kelly's brother.
My big brother.
My big brother. So, yeah, so how do you feel with baby number?
No.
Nearly there, Thomas, nearly there.
Okay, so this is this one back on. This is Thomas's young son, Thomas, aren't you? There we go. Hi, son. As the boys getting ready to go to ice hockey, so Costa's going to join George and his team. Do you not bring Georgie, no?
Show him how to play hockey.
And here starts the competing between brothers.
No competition.
So no competition, he says, Costa. Costa concurs. Kids are chilling in the playroom. Kelly's keeping them all entertained. This is Thomas's eldest daughter, Theo's cousin.
No!
Okay, peace and quiet. I have tidied my kitchen. We have cleaned up the dinner plates. Kelly's upstairs putting the baby to sleep. The boys are away playing ice hockey. And I'm going to go and get my jammies on and go and edit. So I feel better now that everything's back to normal. Yeah, the only thing is I've got the wire for the Tesla charging right across my hallway. All the toys and everything are away, apart from Lily's wee bone. Here we go. Everything's back to normal. Right, let's go get jammies on. Let's have a glass of wine and go and edit. Good morning and welcome to the 21st of December. It is Saturday. Theo is having fun with the dogs. Lily's really enjoying herself. You having fun, Theo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Rico is having breakfast with his granddaughter, who's wearing my hairband. It was for quickness to get her hair out of her face while I was giving her milk. Oh, do you want your hairband back on? Yeah, put it up for you. Anna is not well at all. Costa and Kelly are getting ready for a wedding. So Kelly's away getting herself hair done, makeup done, all of that. I don't know where Costa is. And we'll just enjoy our grandchildren. What are you eating, Rico? Corned beef?
Yeah.
Corned beef on homemade bread. And we didn't open last night's calendars, so we'll need to do that as soon as Rico's finished his breakfast. We'll open that, and Theo can open his advent calendar as well. At the moment, I am going to taste the coffee. If they've left me any,
I'll put it aside.
did you put it? I'll have this before Costa and Kelly get it, so we can taste it together. We'll have that just now. Let's taste. It's nice. Are these the ones you said you ordered?
Yeah.
It's quite strong in flavour, this one.
I ordered the other one, the one you liked. More of the other, I think I just got the one package in.
I think you would like this one. It's quite strong. It's not a cakey taste it. I'm having to deal with this guy as well, who's visiting because of Theo. So last night he ate all the chocolates and he had a big fat belly. So his belly burst open this morning. And all of a sudden, he's all fixed up again and sitting on the tree. He feels ready to open his advent calendar. Here we go. Mmm. Yummy. You can eat it? Tell us what it's like.
I don't like this one.
You don't like this one?
I don't like that.
How do you know?
I like the Kinder one.
Hmm? That is a Kinder Bueno.
But I don't like it with the 2. I like it with the 1.
Alright, so I think we'll probably like that one then, yeah? Okay, do you want to open Anna's?
21.
So what, 21? See if we can find 21.
I can see it.
Where is it, Schlepp?
It's found it already.
Well done. Pop it out, that's a good boy. Do you want to eat it? No?
I can see.
Okay, give me a wee bit for Anna, just a tiny bit. Wee bit smaller than that. That's it. Oh, isn't that nice? It's a yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Oh, you knew exactly where it was.
Yeah, we never opened just a either. 20. I'll open 20 first. Oh, for goodness sake. That's your lucky day.
Yummy. Oh, yummy. Well, it's too early to put it in the freezer just now. Put it in the fridge.
Let's see what's in 21. It's another red, I think. Yep. Oh, it's quite a big bottle, this one seems to be. Or is it just fat? That's a wee fat one, a wee dumpy one.
What have we got?
Cabernet Shiraz blend, and this is one of these Van Musso Ice Edition. Okay?
Okay. Okay, so the coffee one. Coffee. So 20 yesterday. I don't know how Rico does this one-handed. Oh, it's just a normal one.
It's a lungo.
It's one of yours. It's quite coffee. It's quite looks strong.
It's not high intensity.
Right. There you go. See? Don't say I don't give you anything. And 21. Oh, Master Origin India.
That's another one of these. These are this is the Master Origin.
Oh, strength is 11. So that one wasn't strong. I got a bit mixed up.
Yeah.
This is strength 11.
That's
that was.
the Master.
There's another
That's
one.
another one. Okay.
So they're strong ones. So you can have them. That.
I'll put them in here.
Right. So that's that. So just right. Lily's. So Lily could share hers with Millie because that's yesterday's and today.
Oh, Lily. Lily's doing.
You better be quick today. Lily or Millie will take it.
There.
And we'll give one to Millie.
Primero llevarlo. Here, Millie.
There you go. Everybody's happy. Right, Rico, your chocolate one.
I haven't given it all to Millie.
We just give it to her.
She doesn't do it, but does it? She doesn't know.
That's bad.
Just keeps dropping it. Lily's just going to take it.
Lily will just take it.
That?
That's the dog.
That's there, I think. Candy, you want to help Bapu find his?
Here we go. Here's
You
mine.
might like Bapu's one.
Right, we've got to do 2 in this one.
Watch the baby, she's under the table.
We've got
Rico.
20 and 21 I forgot to do yesterday. So there's 20. Right, we open that.
You find 21.
Now you're
I
asking me
know
to
where
do.
it is.
I know where it is as well. Is that here? There it is.
Right, the baby's
Wait.
standing up, Rico.
I see her. Let's have this one. We'll give this one to Yaya.
No, I don't want it, thank you very much. Oh. What, did you find them both?
Yeah. Yeah, right.
Is Bapu's calendar better?
Oh, palaga. Oh, palaga. Oh, palaga.
Okay, that's our coffee order arrived just on cue. So these are the ones Rico ordered. So this is almond cake and cloudberry flavoured. That's not the one I just had just now,
Yes, it
was
is.
it? No, I don't think it was a bluey one I just had.
That's the one. It was cloudberry, was it not?
No, it was the bluey one.
No, this one's different
That
now.
was different. That was nice. I tasted that as well. That was nice.
Okay.
These are normally my favourites. The chocolate one and the caramel one. That's what I like.
Okay.
And then the odd vanilla one as well. And then the rest is what Rico enjoys. So Costa,
Nah.
are you a true Scotsman?
Oi.
Quick glimpse at Kelly, but we'll have a proper outfit. Here we go. Kelly's all ready. Good. Dress is from Topshop. Hair is by Ruth. Ruth did her hair for her. She's had her makeup done, and she's got her walk with her. And on her feet, let's bend down here. Look, she has her. Lift your foot up, Kelly. Her Christian Louboutins. There we go.
Honestly, it's sitting all right.
Sitting beautifully. So it's long at the back, train at the back, and shorter in the front. You had to get that altered, didn't you? So this is in an extra small. And we'll see them tomorrow. Bye. We get the children. Look at me. Don't I look. Oh, sorry. Kelly just found this in her walk. Look at this. How much the walk was. How long have you had this for?
I was in Germany 3 years ago. Three and a half years.
We actually did the unboxing on my channel, didn't we? £1,470, and that was just before the price increase. There was a price increase, remember? And we couldn't get it anyway, and somebody in London traced it for me.
Oh really?
Because Costa was trying to get hold of a walk and he couldn't get hold of one anywhere. So I phoned up Chanel and they traced this particular one and they sent it to me because I brought it to Germany for you.
Yeah.
Yep. See? What a lovely mother-in-law I am.
Come on.
There we go, there's Costa all suited and booted or kilted. There we go, very nice. Just the jacket, which he's got in the car. Very nice.
Just go to sleep.
Makeup on, so Anna's fallen asleep. So I'm going to take the opportunity to do a quick unboxing from Mimi. Since I have my makeup on, Rico is going to play Guess Who with Theo. So that will keep Theo occupied. So I need to get my wine ready for my filming. Use this little beauty as it came from the advent calendar. We'll take it. Ooh. Take it upstairs. I'll get Rico to open it for me. Would you quickly open that for me, please?
Cheers.
Cheers. What do we think?
It's okay.
They're nice, aren't they? I've been, yeah.
It's not very dry, it's medium. Medium dry, it says Debbie Sec sparkling wine Van Rousseau. It's okay.
It's nice.
Yes. Which one are we having on Christmas?
I don't know. What are we having?
I don't know.
Right. Let's go and unbox. Oh. Gosh, I haven't done this for so long. I've forgotten how. It's funny when you kind of vlog and then you sit down to film and it kind of think, how do I start my videos? It's hello and welcome to my channel. Cheers! Something like that anyway. Right, let's do this. See, the colour's all done. That was my full colour done, by the way. It feels so much better when those greys are away. So I've had my highlights done as well as my kind of roots. So yeah, right, let's do the filming. Enough about moi. I know it's all about me. Okay, I've got my Christmas jumper on, look. I got the naughty all nice. So it's, I've had this for a few years from next naughty. And then you go up the way and it says I'll be nice. I'm always nice. Keep the nice on. Yeah, let's keep nice on. Okay. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Andre and welcome to another unboxing.